Welcome to our channel Achhe Note. Today we have learned porifera and porifera organisms. Now, what is the general characteristics of porifera? Many body with the many pores are found in the porifera organisms. They are multicellular organisms with cellular levels of body organization. Now, and the second point is they are mostly marine, found in fresh water and aquatic lifestyle. Now, their third, radial symmetrically no symmetry. There is a no symmetry found in the porifera organism. Now we have another topic, index. What is canal system, type of canal system, and function of canal system? These are the three main important questions for MSc, BSc, and other or examinations because canal system are found only in porifera organisms. That's why the canal systems of porifera are most important question for MSc and BSc students. Now, what is canal system? Water circulatory system of sponge, also called canal system, where the water goes into the body of the porifera organisms and then outside through the osticulum is known as water circulatory system of the sponge. It is a characteristic feature of phylum Porifera. It is the most important characteristic feature because only Porifera organism possess the canal system. Now, inside the body, the water current flow through the certain system of the species collectively from the canal system. Now, we have shown the diagram of canal system. This is a canal system of the phylum Porifera. Here we have here the osticulum, right? Osticulum. Osticulum is the excretory structure of the body. Excretory structure of the body. This is the osticulum. Osticulum also here the water cavity, water cavity, water cavity, or spongocoil or spongocoil. Now here what is radial canal? Radial canal. What is radial canal? Radial canal is present in the outside of the body. Prothnopaeal is the inner lining of the body. Spongocoil, it is a water cavity found in the body of the porifera organisms. Incurrent canal, it is the outer wall of the porifera where they possess ostia or a hole-like structure. Where is incurrent canal? Where is dermal pores? Dermal pores are a small hole-like structure where the water goes through the body. Now the another topic is types of canal system. The arrangement and complexity of the internal channels. They are very in different porifera. Arrangement and complexity. Different porifera organisms possess different types of canal system, such as Ascon types of canal system found in Leucosolenia, where Sycon types of structure found in sponge and Leucon types of sponge in Spongolia. Now, Ascon type. It is a simplest type of canal system which is found in Leucosonelia and other organisms. So, there is a trick to learn Ascon type of canal system. What is the trick? First, we have learned about ingression water. When the water goes to the hole which is called minute opening or incurrent pore or ostrea, the water goes into the ostrea through the spongocoil, through the spongocoils, and then they are outside through osticulum. So trick is you have learned in the trick. Water goes through the pore. Water goes through the pore with the help of ostrea. Simply, water goes through the hole called ostrea. Then they are goes into the spongocoil. Spongocoil. Now spongocoil is a water cavity found in the porifera. Then the water goes through outside osculum. So here the trick is outside. Whoa. Here the trick is increasing water through ostria into spongocoil, then through ossiculum outside the body. The another type is Thicon type. It is a complex type of canal system found in the scypha or grantia. The body wall is secondary folded to form the incurrent canal through the opening of the spongocoil. By the opening is called apopyle. Both types of canal system are connected with the minute pores as per prothopyle. This is a diagram of Thicon types organism. Here we have the ossiculum, dermal ostria, ossiculum. You know what is ossiculum? Excretory organ of the body where the water outside through the body. Dermal ostria. Dermal ostria is found in the mid of the incurrent canals. Here the dermal ostria. Prothopyle. Prothopyle are these. These are prothopiles. Here you have seen these are the prothopiles. Choanocytes. Choanocytes are these. These are choanocytes. These are the white, yellow in color. These are called choanocytes. What is radial canal? The mid part of the dermal pores are called radial canal. What is apopyle? Apopyle is the lining surface of the structure is known as apopyle. Incurrent canal, you know that, where the water goes through the help of incurrent canal, or also called ostria. OSTIA. Now the water goes through the ostria through dermal ostria. Okay? Water goes through dermal ostria into incurrent canal. Water goes through incurrent canal. Now, with the help of prothopyle, they are goes into the radial canal. With the help of prothopyle, they are goes into the radial canal. Here the water is coming, then the water goes into the radial canal, beach. Here mid part of the body, here the water is present. Now with the help of apopyle, water goes into a spongocoil. Here the apopyle, with the help of apopyle, water goes into the spongocoil, and then water outside through the ossiculum. It is simplest trick. Water goes through with the help of dermal ostria, goes through the incurrent canal, then goes through radial canal with the help of prothopyle, then radial canal to spongocoil with the help of apopyle, spongocoil to outside the body with the help of ossiculum. This is the third Leucon type. Leucon. It is a more complex structure, more complex canal system found in all of these. Thicon type or Athicon type. Now Leucon type. It is a more complex than Thicon type found in Spongilia. Here the radial symmetry lost the canal system become a very irregular. Flattened chamber and small spherical lined with the coinocytes. All other space are lined with pinocytes. Incurrent canals open to the flagellate chamber through the prothopyle. These are the theories you have written in the exam. Then flagellated chambers open into excrement canal through apopyle. Excrement canals are developed as the result of shrinkage and developed division of the spongocoil within the disappear. The excrement canal communicated with the outside through a ossiculum. This is a theory. Now we have simply learned. Water goes through the dermal ostria into excrement canal. Water goes through the excrement canal with the help of dermal ostria. Now, incurrent canal goes through the flagellated chamber. Here the flagellated chamber you have shown in the diagram, these are the flagellated chambers with the help of prothopile. Then the flagellated chambers, water in the flagellated chambers goes to accrant canal. Accrant canal. Here the accrant canal. No, flagellated chambers, the water goes to the accrant canal with the help of apopyle. With the help of apopyle. Now, when the water was reached to the accrant canal, they are go to the osticulum and then outside the body. The simplest trick is water go to the accrant canal with the help of atria, then accrant canal water go to the flagellated chamber with the help of prothopyle, then flagellated chamber go to the accrant canal with the help of apopyle, accrant canal to outside the body with the help of osticulum. These are the three most important tricks to learn in this video. Function of canal system: food acquisition, help in food acquire, accretion waste material outside the body with the help of water, respiratory exchange of gases in this method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe